Want to learn how to make the time-honored Hoppin John for New Year's Day? You're in the right place. Let's get started. Start with 2 cups of field peas or black-eyed peas. Spill them out onto a tray or a sheet pan. Sort through them to remove any broken, empty, or misshapen peas. When you're done, you'll probably have a few that look like this. Get your peas into a large Dutch oven and cover with cold water. Get a lid on and let them soak for at least 6 hours or up to overnight. After they've soaked, they're going to look like this. Drain your peas and add a nice smoked ham hock. You could use smoked sausage, smoked ham, cooked bacon, or really anything you like. Cover with cold water by about 2 inches or so and bring to a simmer. If you've been enjoying my videos, be sure to click that subscribe button for me and turn on the notifications so you won't miss any of my new videos. Cover with a lid and simmer for about 2 hours or until the peas are done. While the peas cook, gather up the best vegetable combination ever, celery, onions, and bell pepper. Dice everything up medium. You've seen this before. I almost always add a Fresno for some extra heat. Use any hot pepper you like or just leave it out. You'll also need to slice or mince 1 clove of garlic. When the peas are tender, reserve 1 cup of the cooking liquid. Pull out that ham hock, and if there's enough meat on it, pull it off and set aside. Drain the cooked peas and set those aside also. Clean out the pot and add your vegetables in with some canola oil. Season with salt, pepper, and optionally your favorite Cajun or Creole seasoning. Stir and cook over medium heat until everything goes nice and soft, about 6 or 7 minutes. I'll link to the full recipe down below. After that time, add your garlic, stir and cook for 1 more minute. Add in 1 cup of rinsed long grain white rice and stir to coat with the fat in the pan about 1 minute. Add the cooked peas and any pulled meat back in. Pour in your 1 cup of reserved cooking liquid added to 1 cup of chicken stock. Stir everything up and bring it to a simmer. Turn the heat down to low, cover it up, and cook for about 30 minutes or until the rice is done. After that time, give everything a stir and it's time to eat. This is a very traditional Southern dish that's supposed to bring you good luck when you eat it on New Year's Day, but there's no reason to eat this only 1 day a year. I have another great recipe video for you to watch right here, so click on that and I'll see you there.